A good day. Welcome to Revit tutorial from beginner to pro from multi-net design. In this series, we are going to focus on interior design and how we get it. Remember the whole fundamental 3D of this program. How we are able to design the gates, walk through the sites, and create entourage and a groove on the wall. But here we want to focus attention on a little bit in interior. So go to your level 1. We want to focus our interior on in the sitting room. So the little aspect of detail we can do, we're going to understand it and how you arrange it based on what you are going to see using Revit to do by your presentation to your clients. So what you do is that you use your focus to, you can use the section aspects to look into it by saying going through. So these are the beginning aspect of it that you have done here. If this one is okay by you, you can decide to work up on the space, the wall, and every other thing that you want to do. So for now, what I want to do is I want to create my own new section that will allow me to work independent of this. So what you do, go to section from this bar aspect, then click. I don't know the type you want to work on. You just like click this so that you'll be able to see what you want to do on your home. Go to good. So you have set this as your phone standard. So you can crop this one. This is the way you want it to work on. So your interior, only the room will be available for you to see. So zoom, or you click on this, say zoom to fit. Good. Can hide all this. Since you say it's not a graphic, hide the element or return it, Ctrl Z. So click on it, say hide all category, everything that resemble the aspect will be hidden. So now what you do here, as you have done this, go to your realistic view, click on it. Good. Are you okay with the furniture? Are you okay with all these things? If it's okay by you, you can cast a shadow, allow the shadow to load. So if the shadow is what you like, the way it is, you leave it that way. But if it's not, you come to this place, display, graphic display option, where you can decide to change the lighting, especially the shadow. Click on it and say okay, I want the azimuth to be 167. Let's say click on apply and see how it goes. I want this one to be 15 degree. Apply to it and you see, so it gives you some crazy aspect of what you want to do. So if this is what you need, that is one. So here you can rename it interior section. You name interior section on your browser, project browser. So now the next one to do is to go to your 3D. I want to capture the moment of watch of the box. So how do you do that? You come to this place and say section box. Your section box will come out in the real time. Take graphic display by hidden so that you'll be able to adjust quick without dragging. So do that. So your section box will allow you to focus on the basic aspect of what you want to work on, So you have done this, you can drag if you want to pick it in details. Okay, a little bit below. So adjust it this manner. Then back to 3 to few of this. So you can first of all look at the whole holistic. Maybe is that what you need? Click on this and say realistic. So are you seeing the whole boxing of the whole ground floor? Toggle around, rotate. Did you see? From entrance, you enter into anteroom and things like that. Things that man. So this one will give you a very robust aspect. So you can, from there, you can decide to now be adjusting your 3D, do all sorts of things. But okay, you want to focus on the sitting room alone. You have the fundamental right to do it now in your good. This will allow you to focus only on your 3D. So those are the things you work on, and you work in details in there, and that is how you work, and that is how the whole system is being built on what is what. Nice. So that's the dimension. You can know the dimension from these aspects. A lot of things have been changed in the Revit, so you can do dimension on 3D now, unlike before that is not possible. So but now it's a possibility. There is possibility of you creating dimension. Are you seeing it? So that is what you do. You do a lot of work here. We are bringing to bear so many other things that you can do to focus on this and work on it. So if you like this, you can leave this way, or you can adjust this to your own very taste. So that is how you focus your attention on interior. The same thing with kitchen. If you want to focus on the kitchen, you rotate. And this is the template, kitchen template, and things like that. So you can duplicate this, or go to like 3D here, say duplicate duplicate this view. It will be duplicated for you on the project browser. Then you rename it and say okay, kitchen interior, kitchen interior. So you leave it this way. So you focus now, you continue to drag to kitchen aspects. So you shift your focus away from this. Good. So you just, the only thing you focus on now is the kitchen. Remember, we are doing interior recognition here. So this one will allow you to move around and create something that's suitable for your taste. So you adjust them and say soon to fit, soon to fit. So this is the interior aspect. So you don't want to see this guideline again. Is something you can do as well. Just click on click on this and say hide the elements. Can you see? So the elements will be hidden and you'll be focused, and you can just more design this to your very taste. So that is how you work on your 3D. So after you have done that, this one aspect too, you can still work on it by focus on adjust these parts a bit. So that you'll be able to focus on what you want to work on. So adjust them, bring them to remember we are focusing, you're only doing good. So it's soon to fit like this. So soon to fit, you can decide to continue to rotate until you get to the view that's suitable to you. If you want to decorate all this wall, you need to focus on them and decorate them to your own personal taste. So after you are done with that, you do the same thing. Hide this, can hide this particular element. You'll be able to let you focus on the reading. So hide it again. So soon to fit. Now if you've done that, you can now rename this. Say you can click this one as duplicate again. After then, use interior living room, name it interior living room, interior living, just leave it that way. So as you've done that, so what you do is that if you want to bring everything to space, you can click on sheet and say new sheet. No matter what the case may be, you will definitely be finding sheet in your project. So you click, I want to use this metric of a thing, so I love it that way. So you bring, just what you need to do is to just click on it and click and drag. First the interior, I want to drag it here. The second, the kitchen, I want to bring it here. So can't you see? That is how you work on no title, no title. So here you can now increase the scale. Click on it, edit, and say customize the scale. The scale here, reduce it to something like 60 to make bigger. Can you see? So you'll be able to adjust it on your space. The same thing here. Click on this, say customize the space, reduce it to 50. So it's getting bigger. You can reduce this to more. Let's say customize. Let's make it like 25. I want to be more bigger than this. Okay. So that is how you adjust your scale to suit. So you adjust this, click. You can click on them so that you'll be able to hide more elements that are causing delay or disturbing your view. Hide all categories. Good. It's soon to fit. So it's the same thing here. So you can label them. So you have been the one who has been displayed. So forget about it for now. So select this and leave it this way. So you can now bring your annotate, then text like this. Say living room interior. Living room interior. So you are done with this. Click and say copy. What you need here is kitchen interior. Click on it twice, then adjust it. Interior take a lot of time. It's not like normal fundamental design that you do, and so you do it and say kitchen interior. So from here you select these two and say duplicate, edit it, edit the property, duplicate it, so that you'll be able to enlarge the the text. Let me use 10. Apply. Let's see how big it will be. So it's big now. So you use the same thing here and click on the 3 to too big. So that's how you work, and that's how you demonstrate your skills in Revit. So that's one segment for this, and you can focus on this one and see how far the whole design will be. It's not that we have designed new thing, but it's just that the basic of what you have done. So you want to be creating your own floor, you can decide to create it separately, work on this one. So in the next video, we'll work on that for you and build something that is more reasonable. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and continue.